What if I told you that the next blockbuster movie, the next viral series, and even the next global superstar might not be created by humans at all, but by generative AI systems working alongside filmmakers in ways Hollywood has never seen before? Today, generative AI is fundamentally transforming the entertainment industry, rewriting the rules of storytelling, production, acting, and creativity itself. Studios are now using advanced AI models, from text-to-video tools developed by organizations like OpenAI to AI voice engines used by major streaming platforms, to generate realistic scenes, animate characters, design sets, and even create entire scripts in minutes instead of months. Filmmakers are leveraging AI-driven pre-visualization tools to map out scenes before a single camera is turned on, while editors use machine learning algorithms to automate color grading, audio cleanup, and continuity checks, reducing post-production time dramatically. Actors are negotiating contracts for digital clones of their likeness, as unions debate how AI-generated performances should be protected, monetized, and ethically used. Meanwhile, content creators on platforms powered by companies like YouTube are using AI to generate storyboards, captions, thumbnails, and even full animations, allowing solo creators to produce what used to require entire studios. Generative AI also enables global reach, automatically translating dialogue into dozens of languages using AI voice cloning while preserving emotional tone, making content universal and instantly accessible. But as this revolution accelerates, it raises critical questions. Who owns AI-generated scripts? Should studios be allowed to train models on an actor's face without consent? Can audiences trust what they see when digital humans become indistinguishable from real actors? Despite ongoing debates, one truth is clear. AI is not replacing Hollywood, but reshaping it, empowering creators with tools to bring bigger ideas to life faster, cheaper, and more creatively than ever before. By the end of this video, you'll understand how generative AI is rewriting the future of movies, TV, animation, and online content, and why the next decade of entertainment will be the most disruptive and exciting era we've ever seen. If you're ready for this deep dive into the future of storytelling, hit like, subscribe, and type yes in the comments if you believe AI will create the next Hollywood masterpiece.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep watching and stay tuned. Bye-bye.